It looks like we're in the middle of Mars or something. It doesn't even look like
I know.
Earth. It's so eerie and weird. So apparently these things were formed by a huge lake that was once here, like a huge body of water.
Yeah.
These were the calcium deposits at the bottom.
These was supposedly 640 feet below water.
That's crazy.
It's crazy to even think about it.
And this was a place where Star Trek was filmed, Planet of the Apes.
Yeah.
And you can tell it looks otherworldly. It's so crazy. The craziest thing about this place is just how quiet and alone you kind of feel, but in a kind of creepy but cool way. You're just surrounded by these huge rocky things, and it's just you, and it's so quiet and so peaceful. Kind of reminds me of the Lion King rock, you know? We should have a cat or something we can...
Cat.
Do I look nice?
It looks nice.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I do. Hey, Salma. Oi.
Oh, hey. I was just baking some cookies. Coming to my lovely house. Built it myself.
Salma.
Oh, hey. We're just taking a nap. Alright, so we are headed to Zion right now. We're going to do a pretty exciting hike. It's called the Narrows. It's on water, which is pretty cool. It's also very hot. Currently it is 40 degrees Celsius and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So
Hey, what's up guys? So finally we made it to the Narrows.
it's
Pretty
like
cool
this huge
spot.
ravine.
Pretty
It's perfect because it's so hot.
Yeah,
And we're
it's
just
like 100 degrees outside, but the water is cold. It's pretty cool. So from here onwards, I think the whole hike is in the water.
Yeah.
That is not like paved part. Yeah, but first we are going to take a snack break, get some croissants and cookies. Let's see how it goes.
Okay, something kind of, well, very scary happened.
I dropped my camera.
Let's see. Okay, we are done with the, what's it called again? Narrows, the Narrows.
Yeah, done with day one. So inshallah
So
tomorrow
good.
we plan to do Antelope Canyon and Bryce Canyon. So for now, go back to the hotel, make some nice dinner.
But we spent like 5 hours here. You can spend the whole day here. It's just
It's
so
pretty nice.
cool and
It's like worth it on a hot day. Like it's amazing.
cool
Alright.
in both senses of the word.
Yeah. Inshallah
nice.
tomorrow Antelope Canyon first thing in the morning.
Yep,
Yeah.
let's do it.
All right. Bye bye. Hi guys, so we are here at Antelope Canyon.
Yep, and we're just having our morning snack, some delicious yogurt. And yeah, we woke up at dawn today. We came here once before, but we didn't
didn't know,
realize
yeah.
that we had to make reservations. So we just came and we were like, oh, it's in the middle of nowhere. But luckily there is Grand Canyon close by, so if you come, there's other stuff to see. But
And Horseshoe Bend.
and Horseshoe Bend, yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, make sure you can make reservations because there's some grumpy people who are like, "What? We came all the way and you have to book a tour." So yeah, because it is in like the native land, so
Yeah, the Navajo
different.
reservation. So
yeah. But yeah, very excited.
yeah, we'll keep you guys posted. Alright guys, there is no mic and we kind of got prepared to take photos and videos, but I think I have to come back again. But it was pretty amazing.
Too beautiful, too much to capture.
Too much to capture. The guides are pretty awesome. They gave us enough time. We didn't take the photography tour, but still gave us enough time to take photos, which was pretty awesome.
This is what happens when you spend too much time on the road. Bubblegum contest. Alright, so day 3 and last day at Zion.
Yeah, we came here for the Canyon Overlook, is it?
Canyon Overlook Trail.
Yeah.
It's like a moderate trail, but it does have some really nice views. And yeah, we wanted to do something a bit more strenuous, which is the Angel's Landing Trail, which has some really amazing views. But it's really, really hot, and we did not want to make it a miserable experience for
It's like
ourselves.
120 here.
Yeah. What was the analogy you used?
What analogy?
The hairdryer?
Yeah, it's like blowing a hairdryer on your face when it is windy. It's
not
crazy.
very pleasant at all. Made it to the top, and it's beautiful.
Yeah, we are using the other camera to take a time lapse. So, and we are having our lunch.
Yes, we always try and reward ourselves when we get to the top with some nice snackies or a meal. We packed some croissant with egg and chili paste, just kind of whatever we had in our food basket, but it's good and we're just enjoying it by the view.
It's pretty awesome here.
Yeah. And the heat, when you climb up, it's always a bit cool on the top. If you're wearing a hat, that is. Otherwise it's like super sunny, it's just going to get you, but worth it.